to use the linear mat, and we will make multiple number of components in SolidWorks assembly. So this is our one part of hinge. We want to make multiple number of parts. So just select this linear component pattern. Assign any one axis. We will select this line and select here component. See, you can see the preview. You can define any distance, is up to you. And here number of components, whatever you want, assign 2, 1, it's up to you. And this is the direction 2. Even in direction 2, you will select y-axis, and you can define many number of components. See, distance you can keep 50, 60, is up to you. 3 numbers. If you want here one instances to skip, select this instances to skip and select this any one point. Select this center point or this point, so it will skip. We will see first. Now see, we created multiple number of parts. You can directly edit feature, and you can skip any part, any part, whatever you don't like or you don't want. See, number of instances is selected here. Choose OK. Now see, we skip 3 parts. So these are the also very useful tool in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoy.